Cellwatch 4.0 includes a number of user interface enhancements and a collection of new controls and utilities to improve the Cellwatch user experience. In addition to making settings and controls more accessible, monitoring and reporting enhancements make it easier to understand and use your battery data more effectively. The updated user interface now features an alert window on the main screen, so critical alerts and current status is always visible, from the stopped system scanning warning to instant system alerts. The main screen now provides a simple method to identify the active battery and string. The selected tab will be slightly enlarged, and the text will be in bold for the battery and string that is currently being viewed. Large batteries often have very long strings. For example, one Cellwatch installation in a large data center has 384 cells per string. Cellwatch 4.0 can display strings with over 600 cells, automatically arranging the cells so the status of the entire string is always visible. An alarm indicator is now available for each string. For this battery, there are 9 strings, and notice the alarm on string 3. If any cell or monitored probe is outside the alarm limits, the string and the battery indicator will turn red as shown here. This makes all the alarms clearly visible and helps you identify a specific failure faster. With Cellwatch 4.0, alarm management is enhanced to streamline setting and viewing alarm limits for the entire system, individual batteries, individual strings, and individual cells. With Cellwatch 4.0, you now have the ability to graph and reset all alarm settings associated with each alarm type: temperature, voltage, current, and ohmic value. To set alarms for an entire system, click on the Alarms tab on the main screen, and then click on Set Global Battery Alarms. From here, the administrator can set global alarms for the system. To see the alarm settings, click on the graph text associated with each alarm type, and a window will pop up and display all alarm settings. To reset the alarm settings, click on the Reset All text. This control is password protected to ensure the user truly wants to reset all existing alarm settings. Click on Graph again and see that all alarms are now set to the same level for the entire system. With Cellwatch 4.0, all system alarms can now be reset with a single command. The source of the alarm is not resolved by running this function, but the alarm status will be reset and will disappear from the Cellwatch screen. For example, there are 2 voltage alarms and 2 ohmic alarms on battery 2, string 4. To reset these alarms, click on the Alarms tab on the main screen and select Reset Alarm Indicators. A warning will pop up indicating you are about to end all active alarm indicators. Click OK to continue. These alarm conditions will be marked as ended at this point. However, if the cause of these alarms was due to an improper voltage or an ohmic reading out of range, the next scan that runs will trigger the alarm condition again. The Cellwatch administrator should take care when resetting all alarms, because it has the potential to mask real alarms. The improvements made in Cellwatch 4.0 greatly simplify the task of battery management, giving you greater insight and more control over the health and reliability of your backup systems.